watching a master at work.
What's up guys, Hassan Trades here, also known as RippyGod. Today's video is quick, short, and simple. We're basically going to be setting up an interactive broker layout. We're going to set up hotkeys and we're going to set up the Stream Deck. Let's get started. Okay. So when you open interactive brokers, this is kind of the layout you see. The mosaic layout, the classic TWS, the learn, the crypto. This is how I have it. I have it as an options trading layout. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. I execute on interactive brokers. Honestly, for charts, I don't like interactive brokers that much, so I do use Thinkorswim for charting on my other screen over here. But let's show you how to set up a setup for yourself, and we'll start from there. So first things first, you want to click on this plus button right here on the bottom left hand corner. You'll get a create a new custom layout, and let's just call this layout Rippy YouTube, and then we're going to create. So what you want to do first is you want to start here. It says start here, just in case you don't know, but it says start here. You're going to click on new window. First things foremost, I am an options trader, so we're going to click on options chain. So the option chain is going to be pulled up. I like to have a nice big options chain just so I can pretty much see everything and kind of gauge what I'm looking at. Second of all, I like to have a chart. Now it doesn't really matter if you put a chart on there, but personally, because I'm recording my screen on a daily basis, I have my chart. You want to add anything to your chart, you're going to click on more icons. You're going to click on add studies. Say you want to add an exponential moving average, you're going to click on exponential moving average. Then you're going to right click on this line over here. You're going to click on edit indicator, and you can pretty much change your period. You know, you want a 21 EMA, then you click apply, and now this is a 21 EMA. And right here, down here, just in case you don't know which line is which, you can pretty much see this purple line over here is EMA 21, and then there's the dashed areas you see is the prior close date. So second of all, what you want to do is you want to click again on new window. You want to bring in a watch list section. So this is actually where I execute most of my trades from. So I like to have it big. I like to see it, like to see what's going on. So personally, first of all, I'll click on the configuration button. I'll click settings. I will remove last. I will remove change. I will remove change percentage. I'll keep it simple. I'll do the bid. I'll do the ask, and I'll do the volume. I'll do the bid, the ask, and the volume. You're going to click apply. Okay, perfect. I'm also going to put one watch list over here, and I'll also add another watch list. Reason being, I like to separate my calls and my puts. And again, same thing, I'll do click on the configuration, click on the settings. Again, I'll remove my last, I'll remove my change, I'll remove my change in percentage. Again, I'll add bid. Again, I'll add ask. Whoops, what happened there? And I'll add my volume. Click on apply. So basically watch list 14. Let's say, I want Amazon 3200 on the watch list. I'll add Amazon 3200 on the watch list. And I'll add Amazon 3250 on the watch list. That's when I say add to watch list. This is exactly what I'm seeing. Just take it, hold it, and drop it. Then I want to add puts, for example. I go to Amazon 3100 puts. Take it, drop it. As you can see, this is what we see over here. You want to change the date, you can change the date over here. Oh, Hassan, what about the next expiry? It's not there. You just click more. You click on weeklies and quarterlies. January 28th will come up, February 4th will come up, and so forth, so on and so forth. You want to add 3,000 put, you can add 3,000 put, and you can pretty much see the date over here, the bid, the ask, and the volume on the contract. Whatever you want to add on here, you can add whatever you want. You want delta to be on there, you can add delta, for example. Really is the sky's the limit. Whatever you want to add, you can pretty much add, and then you'll have the delta on the contract. Because it's a put, it's negative. And then here you have your calls. Then what you want to add over here is the order entry. So you're going to pull up this tab right here, a small little tab. You're going to make it as big as possible. You want to be able to see it. Now, when you click on the configuration gear over here and you click on settings, there are 3 order entry tool styles. You know, the interactive, basically you have to click submit and then you have to accept the order and the order will go through, and you can pretty much change your bid, mid, and ask by pressing on it. Personally, I don't like this one. It's a little bit harder to use as a scalper because you have to confirm the order. Second one, you have the simplified. You just do the same thing. You click submit, it'll ask you again, and then it will transmit the order. This one's a rapid transmit. The second you press buy, it's gonna buy. The second you press sell, it's gonna sell. I like this. You know, I'm a scalper. I like it quick, so I have it on rapid order transmit. I'm gonna click apply. I'm gonna click OK. Then you're gonna do another window over here, and then you're gonna do. Some people like to put quote details. Well, you know, we'll just put it right here just to fill up some space. Basically, this quote detail right here pretty much gives you everything you need to know about the contract. You know, you click on 3200 call, you see the bid, the ask, the size, the volume, the average, the implied volatility, really whatever you want to put on here. Some people have it, some people don't. It's really up to you. So what you're going to do also, again, this is also for order management. I have my orders right here. This I just used to pretty much confirm that I bought something, you know, just to make my life a little bit easier. Again, I'll do my trades, I'll do my summary as well, just so I can see a visual. You know, I bought, I sold, you know, just to help me pretty much do an easier way. Lastly, what I have is I have another watch list. Now, what is this watch list, you may ask? Well, this watch list is simple. This watch list is to pretty much see the charts. So I'm gonna just add a few tickers over here. Tesla, shift enter. You have to press shift enter with everything on interactive brokers. So I'll do Tesla, Amazon, shift enter. I'll do QQQ, shift enter. I'll do SPX, shift enter. Then you want to click on the index. So whatever I click really here, the option chain changes and the chart changes. And then whatever I click over here, you know, as you can see, also the option changes, the chart changes, and the order book changes. Now let's set it up where this watch list is linked to the chart and linked to this option chain. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this column here, right here, which says group windows. We're going to click this and make this group 1. So group 1, group 1, group 1. So basically when I click on this, this is going to change, this is going to change. But when I click on this, as you can see, only this changes right here. And I'm going to put this group 2, put this group 2, and also might as well put this group 2. So when I click on 3200 call, basically my order entry will change, not my chart, not my option chain. When I click on this watch list right here, you know, Tesla, Amazon, my order entry will not change, my option change will change, and my Tesla, my chart here will change. So right here I have my watch list columns, watch list 14, watch list 15. You can pretty much click here, you can rename them, name them whatever you want. Rippy puts, you know, Rippy calls. Now, how do I set up hotkeys? I want to set up hotkeys. So what you'll do is simple. You know, you're going to click on the configuration button again. You're going to click on settings. You're going to scroll up to the configuration button. You're going to click on hotkeys. This list of hotkeys will come up. As you can see, I have a bunch of hotkeys set up currently right now, and we're going to create some new hotkeys. So you want to go and create orders right here. You're going to click on the buy button. You're going to create shortcut. So what is the shortcut you want? So basically, I'm going to click on record. I'm going to do Shift H. And when I click Shift H, this is what I want to happen. I want to buy absolute. I want to buy 88 contracts. My order type is going to be a limit order. My limit price is going to be the ask. When I'm buying something, I want to buy the ask. Now, because we're using a stock algorithm destination of a smart routing, you know, it's always going to fill at the best price. So sometimes it will fill mid, sometimes it will fill ask. you know, so on and so forth. But because you're using the smart routing, it's going to always fill at the best price. You're going to click on transmit the order instantaneously. You're going to get this pop up here. As soon as you click yes, make sure you understand what it's saying. You know, as soon as you press this hotkey, this order is going to transmit immediately. You're going to click OK. Bingo. We have it set up right here, as you can see. We have our buy limit, Shift H. We're going to go to sell. We're going to do create shortcut. Again, we're going to click on record. We're going to do this time Control H. So when I press Control H, I'm going to be selling an absolute value of 88 contracts. 88 contracts with a limit price at the bid. Again, when you sell, you want to sell the bid. You can sell the ask if you want to. It's really up to you. Stock destination algorithm. I have it again on smart. You're going to transmit the order instantaneously. You're going to click yes. You're going to click OK. Yada yada. So now I have my buy 88, my sell 88. You're going to have to click apply. If you do not click apply, nothing will happen. Click apply, click OK. So now if I go to this 4600 call, you know, and I click Shift H, as you can see, a buy order immediately came up. You know, buy limit 88 contracts at 993. Because I'm trading on a cash account right now, I don't have the sufficient funds. Reason being, I'm on a cash account because I'm trying out this new cash, instant cash settlement, which is why I actually switched to IBKR. The fills are better. Plus their cash settlement is really cool. It's instant. So it tells me, you know, cash needed for this order is roughly 82,000. You only have 11,000 in cash, so you can't submit this order. You press yes, press OK, then you can pretty much change the order. Oh. Damn.
Order cancelled.
My bad. It was going to fill me. Fill 11 contracts because that's how much I can buy. Again, you know, if you click on Control H, you know, it's pretty much sells 88 contracts at 88. Click OK, yada yada. As you can see here my quantities. This is me testing it out. So how do I link this to my Stream Deck? So let's click on the Stream Deck right here. So this is the Stream Deck tab right here. So you want to click on the Stream Deck. This is what's going to pop up. This is my current layout on the Stream Deck. You know, I got buy 1, 5, 10, 20 to 30, 50, and 100 and all my sell tabs. I have my exit all positions. I have my panic button, which closes everything. So what you're going to do is, this is what you see when you open the Stream Deck platform. You're going to click on hotkey. You're going to see this hotkey guy. You're going to drag him in over here. You're going to bring in 2. So the title on this one is going to be buy 88, and for my buy, I had it at Shift H. You see my hotkey here is Shift H. I'm going to put in a cool picture as well, just so I can distinguish between buy and sell. I'm going to click on this one. Again, I'm going to do sell 88. I'm going to go on hotkey, and it was Control H. And then we're going to put the sell button right here. So now I have my buy 88, I have my sell 88. Then I'm going to simply exit out. I'm going to go back to my interactive broker. I'm going to click on this 4600 call, and then as soon as I press on my buy button on my Stream Deck, same thing is going to pop up. I don't have insufficient cash orders right now. I need $75,000 to make this order. I only have 11K to make this order. That's why it's not working. Again, you're going to click no, you're going to click OK, yada yada. Again, same thing. If you click on sell 88, it's going to tell you can't short a short call. So an error is going to come up because I don't have the insufficient balance to do this. Press OK, and here we go. Again, my name is RippyGod, Hassan Trades. If you like this content, please let me know. Drop a like, drop a comment, let me know. Subscribe. I don't care really what you do. You want to subscribe, you want to like, do whatever you want. Yeah, have a wonderful day. Hope that cleared everything up. Also, I will be adding a screenshot right here. Tell my editor to put it right here of the subscriptions needed for Interactive Broker Pro. Again, RippyGod. Peace out, homies. Peace out. Send it the Rippy way.
Let's go!